Hello, welcome to the store.
Hi, I'm looking for a jacket. Do you have this in black?
Yes, we do. What size?
Medium, please.
Here is a medium. Try it on.
Thank you. Where's the mirror?
Over there. It looks good. Do you like it?
Yes, I think so. Yes, but a little tight. Do you have large?
Yes, here is large.
Perfect! How much?
$50.
I will buy it.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, you can sit here.
Thank you. The bus is full today. Yes, many people go to the city. Do you work downtown?
No, I visit my sister.
Nice! Have a good day.
Good evening. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, name Smith, table for two.
Please follow me. Are you ready to order?
Yes, chicken salad and pasta.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. It's yummy. Can we have the bill? Here it is. Keep the change.
Thank you. Come again.
Thanks, we will.